We're here at Collegetown Center to see studio apartment 411. We are at the far end of the hallway, the west end of the hallway. Let's go on into the apartment. You can see the kitchen is on our right as we enter. It's the same kitchen that we've seen in the other units. We have the cabinets, the refrigerator, the sink and dishwasher. There's the microwave, and you can see the stove oven as well. So this apartment is slightly different from the other rectangle studios in the apartment. So this number 11 is a unique style. It's available on floors 2 through 6. All the 11s will match this style. You can see that the closet door and bathroom door are right across from each other here just as we pass through the kitchen. We'll peek in the closet first. That's the door on the right. So again, floors 2 through 6 will have the same layout. We're on floor 4 right here. There's the closet. And let's look in the bathroom before we go into the rest of the room. Here's the bathroom space. It's the same bathroom that we've seen in the other units. We have that tub shower with the sliding door. There is the sink and vanity that does open for storage underneath, that large mirror, the toilet, and there's that small cabinet on the wall that has a mirror on it as well, and we have some towel racks. Let's go on into the rest of the space. In all the apartments, they are furnished with your full-size bed, the desk and chair, there's a tall bookshelf, the dining table and chair, and that dresser is right over here. Here's the other difference in this apartment from the other units. So this number 11 has this cutout or this nook right here on the wall. So this makes a good place for your dresser or your bookshelf, we find. And let's go on over to take a look out the window. All of the apartments here in Collegetown Center will have an air conditioner. You can see that under the window. They all have a heater of some sort. There's the heater over there. The heaters will have different options. Some will have a toggle switch, some will have a thermostat. It will vary by apartment. So we're on the Dryden Road, or the north side of the building. You can see the street out here. We're on the number 11 apartment. This is the studio that is farthest to the west. That means we'll have the most open sky over here as we're looking to our left between the buildings. So you can see down Dryden Road towards Eddy Street. I'll zoom in a little bit. We can see, okay, so there is the original Eddy Street gate to the university. That's the original historic entrance to Cornell. And then farther in the distance in that green, we can see a small piece of the south end of Hugo Lake. So we have some nice valley views over to our northwest. Let's go back out. There we go. Okay, so here is a look at Collegetown Center. We're in number 411. This is a unique style apartment that we have available on floors 2 through 6. The building is located at 151 Dryden Road. And from the corner intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, we are just 1 block to campus.